People, you know who Mama be. You didn't give him chance to do whatever. Now, people, you say like a kufado. No problem. We accept. We did. And now, people, they pass through things. You won't do the thing like, then the guy, no. You see your life. Go and beg Mahama.
Alright, Abuziavo, Midindi Nogopo artist. Aha, a Ghana and Sem TV. Master, I will be subscribing to the channel. No, never were doing about our comment section. Abuziavo, Asemaba. Asem with the so semi papa. Abuziavo, say yen na yenim say Shatta Wale ni ama mensa. Say yen na yenim say 2024. And son, eba beto abano. Now Shatta Wale was telling Ghanaians to beg John Dramani Mahama because now John Dramani Mahama was no now or no Shatta Wale or Nyanyama Bibre. But enumrewe Ghana time about 12:23 a.m. Siana yat say EOCO for Ache Shatta Wale. Yes, Omudina too. Ache says Shatta Wale is going to sleep in EOCO custody. And you bring Abuziavo, Asemna ye critical. Buma yanko share videos we na yembra na yeba. Ye wetu asu. Asemna die. Aye hu. Yezu.
Abusia Shatta Wale na yede ne kro no. Mi hunu se Shatta ene EOCO man no eyiye na mu se de be ba be dre ne abusia minim se onya nae information we de fresh crowd se ya detain ni Shatta Wale ya ene ukoi ya detain ni Shatta Wale over Lamborghini no obeka ya 6 August na EOCO mpanyimfo ne ba akode ba abonten se enkomo die mu no ka se o Shatta Wale Lamborghini yellow se no cry ya be fa na say na opese enkipi no private asem ne beto odwa na Shatta ye live okoba se ya live na Shatta de beto abonten se esi den e de na wo hwehwe krache yet see me no wadi nkomo mpo na maka cho say because of my fans na my reputation team fa nkomo ne beto abonten de o be beka it is beka de esi den and that information is beto abonten enye kasa bebre no otwete no okase ene den 20th asem no na wotwe mienu pepepepe ne na EOCO for a detain no eti some flex ene management no omo awilizi communicate chese nyamgo china de akoko kon na omote EOCO office ho ekohwate ye kwankrom be fa so a ombe make sure say Shatta endem nche no omo be fa so minim kwankro me mama part wako EOCO wako chia o wako hokora ko chia na we eti EOCO for no mu dia yi omo yo metwomo me hunu ye se ono omo yiyi sei no omo yiyi no call live no yesi na mu se eti charge aye de ebo no e say money laundry possession of suspected criminal proceeds tax fraud and tax evasion. You know the story but information person me ma what say you really say ya che Shatta Wale ya detaining no for further investigation.
Alright, Abuziavo. This Shatta Wale issue, it's crazy. It's very, very crazy because we all know how Shatta Wale have been talking for this NDC government. What I say? Even time now, Yera, Untumi, Asem Nabayano, Shatta Wale see, we should allow the government to work. We should yanja government no nye juma na or ye juma. So we some of us were even asking say ada anyambia Shatta Wale no ada say why a year na wanani spokesperson and I say o kasa ama NDC and I say because most of the things that Shatta Wale you know we don't understand. So I don't see the reason why Obia or say the party it was boom na wo party na wo see you say ya ban na aba wa ban aba poni enu pona ye how see Charlie abusiafo mayen kwati dia Shatta Wale kachire ye 2024. See, or say we should go and beg John Dramani Mahama. Or see Uncle Panacho. Na do die na do dangwa kufanu eye die ye ko Panacho. Yan kwati de bra.
People, you know who Mama be. You didn't give him chance to do whatever. Now people you say like a kufado. No problem. We accept. We did. And now people they pass through things. You won't do the thing like then the guy. No, you see your life. Go and beg Mahama. All of you have to go and beg Mahama. Because that man said, as a day power, the things with me are the benefit, eh? Go and beg Mahama. Anybody go fit talk say and endorse Mahama or I know mine. Because Mahama, those days if he power self, if be president where they like see artists every time. If be president where he like see them in brother, he buy Mahama, he cherish like he respect artists. The system inside, yeah, they don't like artists that don't respect we. Go if you want to go and beg Mahama. Stop this thing. You won't put on show, say you put on fight, and that diabolical agenda, some people get them a selfish agenda. Then you can't lie to you people. Then for a realize Twitter, some small boys today there they did write some things. Then for a realize no some people they try some
Right, abusiafo asem no aye some way be it's crazy, bro. It's crazy that Shatta Wale osi ni aban abaso eni poni o abusiafo mo aye ko video na embra na asem na aye mobo
ma charge for the fact that you are just driving a stolen car. I charge 10 years in prison. For the fact that Uchi stolen car, no. What stolen car now Uchi no, and no charge. The fact that Uchi stolen car no cry now okono, I say chuchu. I'm a mechanic when I change. I'm a lawyer. I'm a square do actually to make us much what see. For the fact that Uchi stolen car no, what pack you fee no. I will claim say your diano. I will see a chuchu for subject of investigation. I see detaining. Investigation certificate. Jobian cancer dia mekachiro. Don't challenge the EOCO boss and try to prove a point in Accra, Ghana. Obi mistake. Trying to prove some point, you do mistake. You say FBI for Nasuma, FBI. You want to challenge? Wale, some things be there. I don't know who they give you that motivation for the side there. The moment you know say be stolen car where yes the pampana say be stolen car with the boy they prison whatever I hear yes not watch on boss you know say this car they mean I don't know adverts and kwana me adverts it has nothing to do monjo mo kan come pen kwa asembia no watch on my free now the also prove the point in Serbia if also no one okay why is this boy driving the car we need him to come to America now some issue one and self some finding out means here if it be conspiracy. On the highest level, when I final one. You don't cock a conspiracy theory here, cause you have never okay cool. Corona boys in Bobo Boa just to help the Shatta movement. Who with me, Yano? Who's me, Yano? You bet my charge at Tosbe 25. So relax, Wale. So me can't show them make you straightforward. Relax, cause the government, no, Mama government in the agro. And the money law, some of the feelings, Nebeka Saka, now the fans, and so church comment, no, be very, very careful. Relax, because you are driving a stolen car. And if you are in possession of something that is stolen and subject to investigation, whoever you did there, you to never catch you join for investigation. Because don't make one know they play with something so. Make one know the Ghana media inside they talk too much. They act like they wanna get one. Boys pass the law. No, I try to tell you. So champion, relax. Relax. Let the government protect you and love you. and not try to bring you extra charge, make them protect you for Ghana here, because I feel like the government will protect you. That is what you need the government to do. To protect you, make them not add you as the biggest brand in Ghana. Say, what is stolen camera? Say, it's part of your brand, so what? It's stolen. Hey, on se bat if you do like a who say you? I'm tax. Tax. You know who I am? America, don't play with an uncle. Who you mistake? I am untouchable. Don't do some mistake.